Tiki got a bath. And Riker got a bath. And little cutie bug. Ooh. What was that? Little toy possessive. And look at you. Look at you. You are so cute. Hi, Tiki. Hi, Abby Rose. Abby Rose is going to get a bath tomorrow. I can't believe how sweet and cute she is. She's so teeny tiny cute. She weighs about 15 pounds. What are you doing? What are you doing, pretty girl? She's a pretty girl. She's pretty. This is Susie Q. A little West Virginia hound. Still here. What, sweetie? What teeny tiny? You're so teeny tiny. And look at you. What a happy little girl. Abby Rose is so teeny tiny. Abby Rose. Go play with your toy. Go play. Well, Susie picks on everyone, so this is good. He's not going to take any of her crap. Hi. Hi. Hi, teeny tiny. Look, you, I can't believe how teeny tiny cute you are. You are so teeny tiny cute. Aww. Where's your toy?